What's up guys, it's Pepper. In this video I will show you guys how to make a felted pig keychain. I use a Daiso needle felting animal kit, which you can buy off eBay for pretty cheap, which I believe is $5.78 in Canadian currency and $4.62 in American. So let's open it up and see what's inside. First off, there's a little baggie with 3 eye pins, some round jump rings, and a ball chain. You'll get some felting wool in the colors pink and dark pink, and you also get a needle. To start off the DIY, you want to take your light pink and section it all off. So we're going to start by making the body, so take your first section out of 4 and spread it all out. Start folding it into a ball and poking with your needle. Make sure to constantly move it and poke it all over, or you're not going to get a nice circle. This is a pretty lengthy process, so do take your time. You want it to reach like a squishy oval, but if you felt it for too long, it's going to become really hard and you might break your needle. Once you have finished your first layer, go ahead and take the second piece, spread it out and cover that, and you want to do the exact same process. So you want to do the same thing for the third and the fourth piece, but when you get to the fourth one, you can felt it a little bit more than the previous one, so it turns to a slightly harder oval shape. Once you have your body finished, you want to take the reserved piece for the nose and split it in half. You're going to roll this into a small circular disc shape to create the nose. Make sure to leave some excess wool at the bottom so that you can attach it back onto the body. So to attach the nose, you want to spread out all your pieces and spread it all over your body and just start felting everything down. To add the dark spot in the center of the nose, you want to take a little bit of the dark pink, rolled up into a circle, and start felting it into the nose. At first it may seem like you took too big of a chunk, but trust me, when you start felting, everything gets pushed into the nose. I think you can say it that way, I'm not quite sure. Then once you've got your pink spot, you want to add in the lighter pink nostrils, and you're going to do the same process, except you need extremely small pieces of wool for this. To make the ears, you want to take a third of the ears, tails, and legs part. Then you want to split that in half, and when you take that split in half, fold it over a few times. Then you want to start folding the sides in to form a triangle shape. Then you want to take half of the remaining dark pink left and start felting it into your ear. And you want to be really careful with this because you really want a precise shape of a smaller triangle. Just as with the nose, make sure to leave strands at the end of your ears so that you can attach it onto your body like so. To create a tail, take 3/4 of the remaining piece left and start twisting it together to form a strand. Felt a bit of it into the back of the pig and then start twisting it around to create a little swirly tail. I have to admit, this took me quite a few tries because I kept on getting it off-centered or too squished into the body, so just take your time and it will work out. Take your remaining piece and split it into 4 sections, one for each foot, paw, what are they called? Let me Google that real quick. Right, it's called a leg. I'm tired, okay? So onto the actual tutorial. Take one part and then start felting it into a flattened oval. And repeat this process until you get 4 legs. Then you can go ahead and attach them to the body just how I'm going to show you right here. And while we've got the time, I just want to thank you guys for watching my video. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to my channel. and like this video. I'm slightly turning the back legs out so that you can see them better from the side. So we're almost finished. We have about a minute left of the video. You want to take an owl. Wait, an owl is a bird. You want to take an awl and you want to push it into where you think the eye should be. Then I am taking 2 of the eye pins. Those are not eye pins. Sorry, the eye parts, and you want to fit them into the eye holes just to make sure that they fit, and then you want to take them off, dip it in some glue, and push it back in there to secure them. To add the jump ring, you want to take your awl and create a pretty big hole on its back. You can say this pig is holy. And then just place your jump ring into it, slightly open it so it's easier, and then put some felt in the middle and then felt it all down. And in order for it to use as a keychain, take the ball chain that was provided, push it through. You don't push it, thread it through. You don't thread that either. Just use that and you're finished. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.